Welcome to Furoshiki tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to make a teardrop shape bag. Spread the furoshiki right side up, wrong side down. Fold diagonally into a triangle. Take a corner, make a single knot. Take the other corner, make a single knot. The edge should be about the same length, but they don't have to match exactly. Turn it inside out, and it becomes a teardrop shape bag like this. For demonstration's sake, I will staff it with a pretend load. Tie the top corners into a square knot. Make sure the square knot is tight and secure, so it wouldn't come loose while carrying. Once you are used to it, this bag is easy to make even without a place to spread. You can also put a bracelet or a scrunchie through the top to tighten the opening. Thank you for watching. For more furoshiki tips and tricks, please subscribe.